Hi.
Hi there. I'm here to fix your cooling system.
Oh, you are...
Frank. Frank from Man Heat and Air. I understand your cooling system's down.
Well, yes.
Hi there, little guy. Why, aren't you just the cutest little thing? Well, I think I might have figured this puppy out. When I'm done here, you're gonna wonder why you ever married your husband.
So you're done then. Great.
Well, almost. You see, your filter here needs to be changed. You see all these fibers? They're blocking the air passages of your filter. That's probably got a lot to do with your increased congestion, your poor air quality. You know, my wife has allergies, too.
Really. If you could just let me know how much I owe you.
Yeah, I call her Sniffles. Her real name's Susan, but I prefer Sniffles the way her nose curls up and turns red. It's kind of like yours.
How nice. Hey, listen, could you just let me know, now when
We met 17 years ago. And from the very first day, I knew Sniffles was mine. Actually, we met when I was fixing her heating unit.
Okay, then. You know what? I really got a lot going on. I gotta kind of, wrap this up. So if you could just let me know how much I owe you.
Oh, yeah. Let me walk you through this outline. You might want to consider one of our healthy climate filters.
I have really got to go. I just can't consider anything else. Thank you so much. If you could just let me know what I owe you, yeah, I'll let you get right back home to Sniffles.
Yeah, that's, we're gonna carry one.